So now let's come to a little more advanced drawing, a more complex drawing. So in this drawing, first I will create a line of 100 and create circle of 30, radius 30, diameter 30, and similarly radius 50 and radius 40. Okay, so let's start with the line of 100. So I will create a line of two endpoints and okay, 100. Now at this end I have to create a circle of radius 30 and diameter 30. So radius of radius 30 and another is of diameter 30. Now at this end we have a circle of radius 30, radius 50 and radius 40. So let's do it. Radius 40, add another operation of radius 50. Okay, now we will create another line of 20 and create a radius circle of radius 22. Line 20. Radius 22. Okay, now we have an arc of radius 40. So for this I will use a circle edge point. We can also use tangent arc. So we have radius 40. So first and this second, so I want to keep this one. No, I don't want to keep any one of them. So let's make it arc center line. Now this is an arc of 40, so okay, let's draw this. So for this I will go to circle arc tangent and I will select arc two entities because we have two entities tangent. So radius is 40, so I will select this one and this one, and now I want to keep this one. Okay, now I add another operations. Similarly, now I want to keep this one. Okay, so as we can see, angle is not mentioned in the drawing, so we will do it by our own choice as we are practicing, so we don't have any problem. So now I will create this small circle with the bolt hole circle with a radius 4 and we don't have another radius. Okay, so it's fine. I will go to bolt hole circle and 1, 3 and 36. We have 6 circles. So select a base point, we have 6 circles and the diameter of diameter 22. Okay, and we have the arcs of diameter 4, arcs of radius 4 mean diameter 8. and so it's diameter 22, not 22. It will be almost let's just make it 30. Okay, 30 is looking. Now I will offset this circle to 3 units, I say. Offset. Let's make 5 units on selected side. Okay. Again do it. Offset, selected side, and 5 units. Nice. And I will create a line that will be at angle of almost 90 and let's say 90, almost 120 degree. Okay, so that one more point like this. Okay, so its angle will be, length will be, we don't have the length, let's make a guess, 60 plus 25. Half will be used, no, half is 50, 110 and this one have diameter 50 mean 25, 110 plus 135, 110, okay, 135 is the length. Length is 135 and angle will be 90 minus 30, 60. Alt F1. Okay, now we are very close, but it's okay. First I will create a circle of diameter 20 and diameter 50. Diameter 20. No, it's red diameter 20. And add another of diameter 50. Now tangent arc of radius 60. Okay. Tangent arc, 2 entities, radius 60. First is this one and this one. I want to keep this. Similarly, I want to keep this one. Okay, it's not exact but very close. Now we have this little modification. We don't know its dimension, but we'll make a guess. First of all, I will trim this portion of the circle. So I will go to trim and I will trim this circle by this. Again I will trim this circle. Okay, let's break it. Break it by this. Okay, for this portion I will offset this line to scale both sides distance let's say 10. Okay, distance 10, no 10. Okay, let's make it 5. Okay, 5 is good. Now I just want these lines, so I will break it here and break it here. Similarly, in this case I want to break it from this point and at this point. Okay, now I can delete this line and similarly this and this. Okay, we also don't need this one, so I will break this at this point and break this at this point. So I will delete this portion. Similarly, we don't need this side, so I will just from the line okay, so I will break this one at this point and break this one at this point. So now I will delete this and this. Actually it is vertical, so I will draw a line. Okay, now I will break this at this point. I will delete this line and this portion. Okay, now I will create a fillet with this offset. This one and this one. And I will trim entities. No, I will not trim. And this, like this. Similarly, at this point, like this and this. Okay, let's zoom it. So I will break this one at this point and break this one this one. Now I can delete this portion. Similarly, I will break this line at this point, this line at this point, and delete it from it. Okay, we will also trim these lines. I want to trim this line using this. I want to trim it. Okay, it was break, so this was broken down, and with this line I will actually we can use trim and break, both have the same function. but in break we have to delete it separately. Now this, oh no, Control Z. Again trim, I want to trim this line using, okay, so it's deleting this one, so I will just break it. Now we can delete this portion. Okay, so let's delete the center line to low so the drawing will look more attractive. Okay, so one thing more which we didn't, we have this inner circle and we don't have this outer portion, so let's also break it or trim it. So let's break it and to at this point and this one at this one. Now I'll delete this and okay, perfect.